Hey, how's it going? This is Bible Digger, and today I just want to unwrap this Ruby 103 Allen, who I have wrapped in this clear wrap to just kind of help train the Yap, because the Yap was not trained at all when I got it. I could edit this part out, but some people on YouTube like watching things like this, things that take a while. I don't know why. I mean, some people will watch other people work at their jobs on YouTube when they're off of work. Explain that one to me. Okay, I could cut this, because I'm having a hard time finding where the end of it is. So let's just, yeah, that works. So when I first got this Bible, I had that video on my channel, and you can see the Yap was not trained at all. There we go. If you wrap this thing tightly, it'll be okay. Just get in there and rip it. All right, I've left this in here for 3 days. I have left this wrapped up, and I set 4 full-size Bibles on top of it. And here we go. And this is the finished product. You just kind of wrap your ribbons up like that, they'll be fine. Should have wrapped them the other way because I kind of like them to bend the other way, but these are good ribbons, so it looks like they're just gonna kind of do their own thing. So obviously this is done well. With this Allen, there's such an overlap, as you can see here. There is such an overlap. For me, that makes it harder to do this, because it's just it's so long it wants to stick back out, but that's fine. Such a neat little Bible. I don't know if I wrapped that perfectly to where I had Bibles sitting on it. In other words, make sure the spine is straight when you get done wrapping it. I'm gonna set some more Bibles on it today, and it looks pretty straight to me. But yeah, there you have it. Fits the hand better. Makes it easier to use, in my opinion. Now, of course, that's going to want to go back out, but the more you use it and the more you start to build that crease up in there, the better it's going to be. Like my full Yap over here, I did the same treatment to this years ago. And I haven't used this Bible for a good 4 years, so it's still brand new. I mean, I don't even have any notes in here. It's still brand new. I've started my notes. But this is just from one time on this one. And you could still see it pretty much still wants to do it, lay like that. Okay. When you open the Bible and you turn it, it's gonna put these top and bottom creases back out. But like I said, once you get that crease built in there, you can just do this number here you want to walk out of the house, it stays good enough to where if you do grab it up here or there, it's going to do its job. Which is to protect the pages, which to me is not a huge deal. I guess it's just for looks for me. I don't know. I just don't like when a Bible's sitting. I say I don't like it. I really don't mind that much. But like this Bible, when it's sitting at an angle, you don't see the gold. You just see the white edges. See? I don't know. It's fine. But when I look at the Bible from the side, I just kind of like to see the cover. Unless it's got a good art guild on it. And then you can kind of see like the red anyway, whether the gold is left off of there or not. So thanks for watching. This is the Allen 103 Ruby red letter. Bible Truth Publishers is where I picked this up from for really good price, $187 shipped. I actually bought this one a long time ago, and I got this for a steal before they charged the prices they charge now, unfortunately. Here's the Allen on top of the wide margin cameo. They're both full yap. So, thanks for watching. This is Bible Digger, and I am signing out.